Welcome to today's video, where we'll be unboxing, reviewing, and testing the Carlinkit 5.0 2-Air, the revolutionary car adapter that supports both Apple CarPlay for iPhone and Android Auto for Android mobiles. So, let's take a look at the contents of the package. As we can see inside, we have the Carlinkit 5.0 2-Air unit itself, which is compact in size, a great feature for those who prefer not to take up much space in their car. Additionally, there are two data cables included, one for USB to USB-C and the other for USB-C to USB-C. A product manual is also provided to guide you through the setup process. Everything you require to begin using the Carlinkit adapter is thoughtfully packaged within the box. The Carlinkit boasts impressive specifications, making it a top-notch adapter for both iPhone and Android users. Powered by an AMOLED CPU, it supports Bluetooth version 5.2 for stable and reliable connections. Additionally, the dual-band Wi-Fi support on both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz wireless networks. One of the standout features of this adapter, as I mentioned earlier, is its impressive compatibility. It works with iOS 10 and newer versions, as well as Android 11 and beyond. Let's take it to the car now and see how it looks and how it works in action. Before you dive into the setup process, ensure that your phone is successfully connected to your car. To establish this connection, activate Bluetooth on both your phone and your car's display. Initiate a device search, and once you spot your car's name on your phone or your phone's name on your car, simply tap to pair them. Once your phone is successfully paired with your car, we can proceed with setting up the Carlinkit adapter. The Carlinkit 5.0 2-Air has been designed for hassle-free installation, following a plug-and-play concept. Begin by connecting it to your car's USB-supported port using the included USB cable. With this step completed, it's time to move on to connecting it with your phone. So, to start using the CarPlay or Android Auto functionality, make sure to open the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on your iPhone or Android phone. Look for the Bluetooth signal of the product, typically named AutoKit A2D, and connect to it. Once the Bluetooth connection is established, your next step is to wait for your car to seamlessly connect to the wireless CarPlay or Android Auto interface. Occasionally, you might be prompted to confirm the connection on the car display. If so, simply tap on Continue to proceed with the connection process. After successfully establishing the connection, let's shift our focus to exploring its functionality and the array of features presented on our car's screen. It's crucial to bear in mind that the count of available applications may differ between Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. In this video, I'll be offering you an overview of Android Auto's interface. Absolutely, in our exploration, the Carlinkit adapter seamlessly integrates with your car environment, unlocking an array of practical functions. As you've already witnessed, Facebook Messenger is at your fingertips. Also, as we can see, I have the entire call history displayed, which enables hands-free calling and ensures safer drives without the distraction of holding a phone. It's worth noting the entertainment aspect as well. Applications like YouTube Music, Spotify, and even Amazon Prime add a touch of enjoyment to your journeys, letting you unwind with your favorite content during breaks. And of course, we can't overlook the significance of Google Maps, an essential tool in our everyday routines. With the Carlinkit adapter, this fundamental app seamlessly integrates into your driving experience, providing you with reliable and smooth navigation assistance. In conclusion, thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Carlinkit adapter's functionalities. We hope you found this insight valuable and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content.